There's a stink bug on my light, and he keeps flying around trying to get me. What are you doing, sir? Oh God! I said, bitch. No. Welcome back. In today's video, guys, I will be styling 2 items of clothing several different ways, and this video is not sponsored, but the clothing store from AliExpress named Hug Sitar did send me these items for free in exchange for a video, so thank you guys. And if you guys are enjoying my makeup today, I did a quick little tutorial of it, so if you'd like to know how I did it, go check it out on my Instagram. And the items I will be styling today is this very fluorescent orange crop turtleneck and this gorgeous mesh bodysuit with a rose detail, so let's get started. So first off, here is the orange turtleneck. As you guys can see, it is a cropped turtleneck, so in case you want to be warm and cold at the same time. And I just love how bright fluorescent orange it is, and I also love that it has thumb holes. I'm actually surprised by how warm this is. I feel quite toasty from here up. But the turtleneck is quite large. The only thing was when I put it on, it was very tight in terms of the turtleneck, so it was a little bit of a struggle getting it on without pulling my weight completely off. So for this first look, I'm keeping it fairly simple. I just have this harness from Curiani Clothing on top, and these are my Addams Family Beetlejuice pants, and these pants are the brand Divided by H&M. For this second outfit, I'm going for a very witchy vibe here in case you couldn't tell, and this PVC skirt is actually from Forever 21. And if you guys haven't seen my latest video where I spent over $600 at Forever 21, you should go check it out. I found some fun stuff. But this hat is also from Forever 21, this necklace is from AliExpress, and this choker is actually from Claire's. I found it there in their Halloween sale. And my earrings are from Darkling Beloved. I'll link everything down below for you guys. So for this outfit, I put a little crop top from Charlotte Russe on top of the turtleneck, and I have this lovely long mesh cardigan thingy from Ross, Dress for Less. I got this when I was down in Texas. And this is a very, very long floor-length skirt with a slit up the right side from Abercrombie & Fitch. And my necklace is also from Darkling Beloved, which matches my pentagram earrings. And now for the final look for this piece, I paired this with a dress from Killstar. I love the pentagram on the top of this dress. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And I also love that the dress laces all the way down the front. And on top of that, I have this faux leather jacket from American Culture, and my same earrings from Darkling Beloved. It's wintertime for me here in New York, so this is one of the ways I can wear summer dresses and still stay warm. So this is the second piece I'll be styling today. The rose is beautiful. There are a few loose threads here and there, but nothing too terrible. And it feels like good quality mesh. Now for this first outfit, I've paired this bodysuit with a Creepsville 666 necklace of silver skulls, a belt from AliExpress, and a skirt from Black Milk Clothing. I love matching all my jewelry, so I like to keep silver tones in everything that I wear, so my necklace, earrings, and chains all match. And I love how the shiny skirt is such a contrast to the almost matte look of the mesh bodysuit on top. Now for the second look, I've paired this with a pair of Rockin' Republic faux leather pants, a studded cardigan from Express, and my favorite Forever 21 hat. Now for me, this outfit feels like a gothic Snow White, so I had to add my poison apple cauldron that I got from Disney World when I went to visit last October. I paired this with a beautiful long red skirt that I got from Goodwill, a skeleton hand belt from Hot Topic, and a red heart choker from eBay. For this last one, I paired this with a pair of really cute booty shorts from Princess by Vera Wang. I found these at Kohl's, and the red faux leather jacket is by a brand called Love Moi, and a pair of very sleek aviator sunglasses that I got from Rite Aid. And underneath, I'm wearing this very cute bralette from AliExpress. And that is it for the outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon with my Hot Topic clothing haul. Have a good one, guys. Bye!